Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are well, blessed, and kept of the Lord. So guys, it's that time again of making amazing videos. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you are my returning subscriber, then you are the best. So guys, today we are making the best ever, the softest carrot chapatis. We are going to be using, of course, carrots, which is the star of the meal, all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, liquid oil for kneading, and of course the cowboy specially. My mom gave me this hack of using the cowboy on my chapatis, and I really think she was right. They really come out better. So we are just going to mix everything up. I add some pumpkin that had remained while I was making lunch for my baby, so I'm going to throw the what remained in here, but this is just a carrot chapati. So guys, let's get straight into this video.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but
Guys, at this point I'm going to get in there with my hands and just knead the flour until the flour does not stick to my hands.
I know we won't give this up. Sometimes
So guys, now that the dough is no longer sticking in my hands, we're going to use some oil to just give it the final touches and cover it with cling film and let this rest. You can let this rest for as long as possible, or even 15 minutes, but the longer you let it rest, the better.
I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I.
So guys, once the dough has rested enough, it becomes very soft. The gluten has loosened. Yani, this is just good. So what I do is I'm going to divide the dough into two, flatten it on my surface, apply oil, then roll the dough according to the size I want for my chapatis.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.
So guys, once we've rolled out the chapati the way to the specific sizes or the size that you want, we're going to begin rolling each single chapati and placing it on our pan. By this time my pan is already hot to how I like it, so I'm just going to roll the chapatis to pretty nice circles and then cook.
You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
So guys, when the chapati begins to bubble up, that's your sign that it's ready. So you just turn it to the other side, cook, and then now use your cooking oil, whichever you prefer to cook the chapatis. And oh my god guys, look at that, it looks so good. Guys, these chapatis came out so soft, tender, soft, and so good. So guys, they came out so good. Oh my god. So repeat the procedure for all the rest of your dough. Once they are done, I like to put mine in some cling foil, and they come out so good. They even taste better the following day. So thank you guys for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one and stay blessed.
Every time waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you. Too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a